Are you feeling overwhelmed or even stuck in this never-ending cycle of anxiety? What if I told you that there was a 90-second technique that you could use to calm your nervous system, ease your anxiety, and just feel better? And what if I told you that you could do it anywhere or anytime? This technique can help you overcome that spiral of anxiety and start to restore calm in your entire body. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm the head coach of Reorigin. We are a science-backed brain retraining program that helps you rewire your brain to overcome anxiety and other chronic health conditions. At Reorigin, we take a holistic approach to healing from top down and bottom up. So we're going to help you rewire your brain and learn to trust in your body's ability to heal itself. With years of practice in somatics, I have learned firsthand how body-based or bottom-up approaches can help calm anxiety and also overcome symptoms of chronic health conditions. Many of our members have also shared that these techniques have helped them find relief as well. And today I'm excited to share one of my very favorite super simple tools that you can use to calm anxiety on the spot. So whether you're dealing with chronic stress, generalized anxiety, or health anxiety, or you just want a tool that can help you feel more grounded and focused, the butterfly hug is for you. And here's how it works. The butterfly hug uses a technique called bilateral stimulation. And bilateral stimulation engages your full cortex. When your cortex is fully online, the amygdala, which is the fear and anxiety center of your brain, can finally shut down so you can get some relief. In moments of stress, the amygdala sends a cascade of stress hormones throughout our body to prepare us for fight or flight. But if no stress is present and that cortisol continues to pump through our system without anywhere to go, we just become super anxious. So when we can understand that, yes, I'm feeling anxious or stressed, but there's no danger present, that's when we can turn to bilateral stimulation to calm the nervous system. So the butterfly hug essentially reminds you that you're safe, even in moments of stress. So by using this tool to calm your nervous system, you're going to feel a lessening in any sensations or symptoms you're experiencing. That might be anxiety, it could be pain, or fatigue. And when that happens, you'll start to feel more in control of your body and your experience. All you're going to do is cross your hands across your body, resting your hands on your chest, and just alternately tap your hands. Back and forth here for about 90 seconds. If you want an added bonus, you might take nice deep inhales and long, slow exhales as you're doing the butterfly hug. One extra thing you might add is a positive affirmation, something like, I am safe in this moment. You can always make it your own if you have something else that sounds better for you. If you liked this technique and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to the Reorigin YouTube channel to help you calm your mind and learn to trust in your body's natural healing capabilities. If you'd like to learn more about the Reorigin program, you can find all the details at reorigin.com/program. The butterfly hug is an amazing tool to combat stress in the moment, and it's also important that we learn to manage our stress every single day. You can learn just how to do that in our next video about resetting your dopamine levels to beat burnout.